gotta do what you gotta do. You know what I'm saying? It's like you gotta be who you gotta be. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have your third eye open. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You and like sometimes people say like, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You like, what are you talking about? You know what I'm saying? This whole thing is not real. I'm not here. You're not there. We are holograms. Holograms coming through using our senses. And then sometimes we got programmed for destruction. We're not here. We look through our eyes and try to find out the reasons why. Many of you lost your way with nothing to say. So you babbling, blah, 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 blah all day. You hear the things, but your program is wrong. You don't have the right tonation, vibrations coming to you to give you sight. So you're blind, deaf, and dumb. Each and every one of you. Sorry, it's not my fault. But if I told you a lie, I'll leave you in disguise. But I'll. No, 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 no. You got programmed wrong. You don't know who you are. I sing this song to you so you can come true. I give you the sound that will turn and activate you. It goes now that particular sound that you hear will wipe up all your worries and fear. Get up in the morning before the other people. And you wipe all your fears away. Vibrations will lead you to who you are. It will erase all the things that was put for you to harm yourself and those around you. It's called the Iron Principle. And you feel the vibrations within yourself. Bring the vibrations back to yourself. Realign yourself with the vortex. Realign yourself with who you are. They say you in a matrix. No. The matrix is only Ma being tricked. You are the Ma. Ma being matter, being mother. Mother being creator of your children. Don't let them fool you. Know who you are. And just say, The word, is the word, which means mother. The word, is, which is woman. The W is the doubling of the U. UMOM, woman. W, two U's. Omen, I'll show you. We have woman, WOMEN, omen, which is omen, the W. The omen is the protection. The woman is the um. The woman is the omen. Omen means protection. She protected you when she was in her womb. The sound of the is the only sound. The sound of the is the same sound as the rotation of the planets. When you attune yourself from the gibberish of man-child is who you created in your womb. They try to leave you from the truth and they say birth. The birth is the product of what you created. But what you want is the recognition of who you are as a womb man. The the U, the W is the double of the U. So you get up in the morning and you do your meditation. You attune yourself with the real, and then that's what's not real you'll be able to see. The real is the dictionary for your mind. Just like you say Israel, the word Isra means to look up. The Israelites, the word Ite means people. Midianites, Israelites, Girgashite, Hivite, Sinite, Canaanite. These are terms of different people, clans of people. They call them race. Before they call them tribes. There's a reason for that. But the first thing, you get up and you do the iron. It's the iron. They call it the iron principle. I am, iron is the That's your protection. Getting back in tune with the vibrational frequency of who you are. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That was a trap that you gave your children because you wasn't a master of that land gauge, which they call language. These things you must know. You are the son of the Son. Your mother is you. The word mother is me out of her. The word mother is me out of her. The word mother also represents matter. We are three-dimensional people. Three-dimensional people. That's the solid, liquid, and gases. Solid being skin, bone. Solid being skin, bone, different densities of solid. Liquids being liquid, blood, liquid, different chemicals in your body. Liquid, urine, tears, and then gases. We're etheric. Gases is etheric. Etherians. That's just Ethiopia. When people speak of who we are and our origin, and they say Africa, the word Africa is not the good word, because Africa means land of separation. That's the viewpoint from those who came and they came and they acted naturally from the kill to be killed, kill or be killed. That was coming out of the evolution of the one cell amoeba into human form, which they call the monkeys or the apes. Certain people was taken out of that and they was given melanin because that was their code in their genes that they would be chosen. They were given special knowledge of do not kill. Thou shalt not kill. And with that thou shalt not kill, they're supposed to teach the world thou shalt not kill. And each one teach one, and that means no more war. The word war, W-A-R, is the word R-A-W, which is raw. So these things we say with the infinite flow to manifest the truth and let the love light grow within you. I am the SP to the ARK. I am the son of the sun. You are the son of the sun. Everyone is special. Individuality got you tricked into thinking you are better than others. We are one. When you look past the dense part of who you are, you will be able to see the inside of who you are, or they call aura. This aura is we are electromagnetic energy. Electromagnetic energy, which is two types of energy. It's similar to the yin and the yang. We are pushing and pulling. Feminine and masculine. The feminine quality is the quality of reproduction. It's the same as above in the heavens is down below on earth. You are the earth. Man is a mutation. Man's job is to protect the womb man as the womb man has protected him. What's happened now, man has lied to his creator, which is his mother. And he has put his mother in a habitat, an environment that's not conducive to the truth. These things we say with an infinite flow to manifest the truth and let the light grow. I'm going to play back the meditative sounds that will unlock the crystal that have made you a prisoner of